Good evening. We are doing some hotpacks.co packs. I'm going to wait a minute. See if my boy J-Wax can get in here. We got 3 of these hotpacks.co. That is the site. I'll put the link in the description. I think for the coupon, there's 3 encased, 1 encased per. They all look close to the same width. Yeah, maybe this one's a little thinner. Oh, looks pretty close to the same width though. I will leave these here. And, I'll let my dog out and wait. Just waiting fast forward in the video. Oh, guys. Go on. Tyler joined. Tyler, I'll be back in a minute. I'm waiting for one guy. These aren't part of the breaks. These are kind of something separate, but you're welcome to stick around and watch when I do it, Tyler. Tyler, pay for fantasy football, bro. Come on. Joey has joined. Ready, Joey? Here goes nothing, Tyler. This is just a break between me and Joey. I got 5 teams. He's got 5 teams. I got Cowboys, Browns, Texans, Jets, and one other. And J-Wags has 49ers, Pats, Packers, Steelers, and another one. Here we go, J-Wags. First pack. This is a hot pack, 1 encased card per pack for Mr. Bellin. We got looking like a Redskin. New generation Bryce Love. Neither one of us got them. Bryce Love rookie jersey. So we will be splitting that one up. I think he was like a 3rd or 4th round pick, but I don't think he's with Geis and AP there. I don't think he's snapping the rotation. Okay. Let's go for pack number 2. A little better, a little better. Come on. Eagle. Oh, Aaliyah Whiteside. Another just jersey card. This one's numbered out of 199. Rookie jersey, newly minted. He was definitely playing in the last game when all their wide receivers got injured. but not a starter. Okay, that's 2 splits, J-Wags. We really gotta, maybe we'll split all 3 in this one. Okay, come on. Last pack, good luck to us. Haven't even had to think about the teams. I know those 2 we didn't get. Come on. Another one we did not get. Rookie Phenom. A little better. Curtis Samuel. Looks like a red insert, but it is not numbered. Curtis Samuel, Rookie Phenom. Kind of a cool red tinge to it. So we got Samuel, Aguirre, Whiteside, Bryce Love. Samuel's probably the best of the bunch. None of that exciting. Slightly disappointing, not too terrible. All 3 guys are at least like in the playing. I don't know if Bryce Love's playing, but Curtis Samuel I think is actually a decent year. I got a Eagles guy who I know, J-Wags. I might be able to throw this into him. We'll see if he wants to take a bite at the Seagull Whiteside. And the other 2 I'll take a look at. Maybe we'll just each take one or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Hopefully the Magneto packs I got with these, which will go with a break later, will be better ones. So yeah, we gotta change your luck. I guess we're just saving it for the 101 box, man. I don't know. We'll see. The Curtis Samuel's kind of a cool looking card. I think he's had a good year. Curtis Samuel. He's got 20 catches for 220 yards and a touchdown already. He's had a decent year. Tell him to put dollars back in. That I can try that. Promise shipping. Shipping is the biggest son of a gun. But we'll do what I can. I guess for J-Wag's purposes, go 49ers, and that'll be the end of the break. I'll put the link. I'll put this one up on YouTube because it's quick, and put the link in the bottom for hotpacks.com. Thanks a lot.